In the heart of Lubbock, 2520 turns student living into something unforgettable and extraordinary. Choose from 1, 2, and 4-bedroom apartments that come with a private bathroom and a private room featuring a comfy bed, cozy dining area, outdoor patio, and a stylish entertainment center. The kitchen's fully equipped for your culinary creativity, and in-unit laundry facilities are available for extra convenience. Study smarter with community workspaces, IMAX, and speedy internet. Then hit the gym to de-stress, play the arcade games, or get competitive on the basketball court right here at home. On weekends, chill in the theater room with friends or enjoy refreshing laps in the pool over the weekends. With pets welcome, secure parking available, and reliable staff support present, life here will be super easy. Also, Texas Tech University and Lubbock Christian University are only a short drive away. You can also get a bus from 2520 just around the corner for seamless transit. So, don't settle for less when 2520 in Lubbock is everything you need. Book your room via amberstudent.com now.